Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's another month. What's that mean? We got another quad. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's another month, and you know what that means. Another FPV crate. This is the FPV crate for the month of September. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. FPV Crate is by GetFPV, and if you're waiting for yours and want to be surprised, then look away now. Here we go. And as usual, in the top we have a thank you card. I'm going to put that to the side because that's a big old spoiler right there. Ooh, this hopefully is a sign of cool things. We have a bunch of God stickers. If you don't know who God is, I would be shocked if you have one of these crates. But if you don't know who he is, look him up. Put those to the side. We got some bubble wrap. Yay, bubble wrap. Who cares? All right, so we have Lumineer props. And we have 3 sets of 5x5x3 butter cutters. Clear, red, and purple. Look at that. Pretty cool. All right, so next we have some FPV Crate Special Edition Grip. This is, I believe, the Grip Light. It's a little bit thinner than the normal Grip. So you can see that is quite a bit thinner than the normal Grip, but it's in this really cool, like light green translucent color. God battery straps, the same length. They are not rubberized, so already I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use these, but you never know. And they are about 220 millimeters. And just for the thickness, 20 mil. So, yeah, pretty budget battery straps, but they're pretty cool nonetheless. What do we have here? We have, oh, look at this. The Mamba F40 Mark II ESC. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, I need to sharpen that knife. All right, so it's a 4-in-1 ESC, 4 to 6S, 40 amp. And it's the traditional 30x30 size, although it's a little bit bigger footprint because of that there where the battery pads are. Really good looking FETs. I've heard really good things about these ESCs. It does come with a XT60, a little length of, what is that, 14 gauge wire, I believe, a universal pin header for the ESC connection, and then one that I'm sure mates up to that flight controller from last month. Pretty cool. Really liking the diatone stuff. All right, and cool, some Mamba Flashbang LEDs. These things are really cool. Let's see. So you get 4 Flashbang LEDs, and these are a little bit different. So they're kind of like the race wire type LEDs, except for these ones are actually controllable through the LED pad on your flight controller, or if you have one of the Mamba stacks where they have the button on the side for LEDs, you can control them through that. So these are about 35 millimeters, and they are about, let's see, about 8 millimeters wide. You get 4 of them. You get the heat shrink for them too, which is a nice little bonus, and you get the connectors for them all. Pretty darn cool. And lastly, we have a t-shirt. This is basically a FPV Crate shirt. Dude flying a quad on the moon, and it is branded as such as FPV Crater on the back, or on the bottom, and nothing on the back. Pretty sweet. I'm really liking the FPV Crate. Inside the thank you card, you have a list of all the contents and who supplied. So we have the diatone Mamba F40 ESC, the t-shirt, the LEDs, the UMA grip, 2 battery straps, 3 sets of props, sticker sheet, and we have a from Fat Shark and Orca, 10% off anything in the UMA store, and $30 off DJI products at GetFPV. So pretty cool. You definitely getting your money's worth. If these are all things that you can use or that are useful to you, then once again, GetFPV, you're really killing it on these monthly subscription deals. Well, that's it for the box. If you guys like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. I do have a Patreon account if you're interested in really supporting me. That'd be greatly appreciated. Please check out GetFPV, check out their crate, check out all the products that came in this crate this month. I don't see any stinkers here whatsoever. They're all pretty good. What do you guys think about the products that are coming out of the FPV crate from GetFPV? Please leave a comment in the box below. I really appreciate it. All right, folks, so that was it. That's the GetFPV crate for September. If you like what I'm doing here, like, subscribe, check out GetFPV, and we'll see you next time.